Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial, you will learn how to use the split screen feature on Microsoft Edge really quickly. So let us jump right into it. So guys, let's assume you would like to access several websites, but all of them on one display here so that you don't have to use multiple displays. You may use the split screen feature for that here in Edge. It is very simple, guys. Let me show you where to find it. Here on the start page of Microsoft Edge, what you want to do, guys, is click on that button in the top right on these three dots here to access your browser settings. And here from the drop-down menu, simply select split screen here. That is going to split your display here on Microsoft Edge into two halves, left and right. So here you may, for example, navigate to that website. And if you click on that website to the right or on that window here, you may, for example, open one of the closed tabs here or use the search bar here at the top to search or browse the internet by using Microsoft Edge. And that's basically it, guys. As you can see, it is very simple. Thanks for watching. See you next time.